Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how to change the SAP GUI theme. Right now my SAP GUI theme is dark and I will change it bright. First log in SAP and come to the SAP Access screen. Yeah, uh, my server is slow, is take the little bit more time. Here you can click the more button. Yeah, after click the more button, you can click option and choose the theme. Here is the theme setting. My theme is dark and I will change watch the theme. Yeah, you can apply and okay. Now you can close SAP GUI and log in again. Yeah, and also exit and yeah, open SAP login again. Yeah, as you can see, the bright theme is applied successfully here. So yeah, you can also log in um, and check this. Yeah, enter password, enter, and here my screen is bright. So easily you can change your SAP GUI theme. So friend, how did you like